physicists support the theories and practice of pranic healing. Prana is subatomic force in the language of quantum physics. This research experiment was done in collaboration with Dr. Masaru Emoto, a leading scientist in Japan. The tap water sample was placed in Dr. Emoto's laboratory in Tokyo. 12 healers from Melbourne projected pranic energy to the water sample. The effect on the tap water sample was transformational. Pranic energy created a beautiful water crystal. 70 to 80% of our body is made up of liquids. Positive thoughts and emotions will create well-being and joy, while negative thoughts and emotions create disease. Pranic healing creates health, harmony, and inner peace. The effect of the Twin Hearts meditation was tested on the Tokyo tap water sample. The effect of Twin Hearts meditation on the water sample was dramatic. It produced a beautiful crystal. What is more, this experiment proved that water stores information. Please notice the twin hearts formed in the center of this image. One can notice the twin hearts formation in more detail in the blown up image. Pranic energy can be used to alter states of matter. Those interested in abdominal and hip tuck-in can seek pranic healing and experience the benefits without knife or needles. The subject in this picture was given 2 treatments a week for 6 weeks. She lost more than half an inch around the waist without altering her diet or lifestyle. Stress ages the skin. Pranic healing facelift therapy was researched by Grandmaster Choa Sui and implemented by a United States medical doctor, Glenn Mendoza, with remarkable results. The subject in this slide was given pranic healing over a 12-week period, twice a week. Apart from the benefit to her face, she also completely overcame her depression and stress. The next lot of slides have been presented by Dr. Ramesh, a maxillofacial surgeon from India who has done research on pranic healing. This patient was undergoing wisdom teeth extraction. Pranic healing has been proved to be effective before, during, and after surgery. During the extraction, the pulse oximeter revealed the heart rate to be more than 120 beats per minute. Within 7.5 minutes of pranic healing, the stress reduced and the heart rate was down to 75 beats per minute. The bleeding also stopped within 7.5 minutes of applying pranic healing. This patient had 30 cancerous lesions in the liver. Within 6 months, the cancer was cleared using pranic healing along with chemotherapy. This research slide proves that it is possible to regenerate bony tissue with pranic healing. This is considered impossible by Western medical doctors. Miracles are possible when we work using the laws of nature. Regeneration of spine. In this case, the patient had abnormal curvature of the spine, degenerated intervertebral discs, and calcification of the vertebrae. After 6 months of pranic self-healing, the curvature of the spine normalized, the intervertebral discs had regenerated, and the osteophytes had disappeared. In this case, the patient fell off a roof, and the intervertebral disc had prolapsed onto the spinal cord. The patient was in acute pain and could not walk. After 3 months of pranic healing, the pain disappeared, and the disc was restored to normal, and the patient was able to walk again. In this instance, within 4 months of using pranic healing, the calcification in the brain tissue was disintegrated. This is regarded as a miracle in medical circles.